Marhaba everybody, welcome to Istanbul. I'm IK and I'm with Joe today.
Yeah, hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Rosetta. It's been fantastic to be, doing full-blown crypto business out here in Istanbul. And I've really enjoyed working out here, being on the charts, being busy in the Discord, and we've been absolutely smacking the trades. More on that in a moment. But
yeah, it's been fantastic.
Tell us about Istanbul, IK.
Turkey's brilliant. I absolutely love it. So much adoption for cryptocurrency here. We've got our own over-the-counter here now in Istanbul, where we're helping people purchase and sell cryptocurrency. Phenomenal opportunity for us. It's working out really, really well. We've only been here a week. Lots of big things are happening.
Yeah, no, it's been a special time in Turkey, and we're really enjoying. I mentioned the crypto adoption here. It is really huge here. Hopefully, it's coming, more to London than it is here, right? Yeah.
I mean, you go and buy a cup of coffee here just with Bitcoin. It's crazy.
Well, we just went to a Bitcoin cafe, folks, and we just actually had our tea and cake and ice cream.
Yeah,
and
fantastic.
All paid for in Bitcoin, folks.
Yep.
There you go.
On the Lightning Network, fantastic.
Now,
super quick.
We've got to talk about the markets, as we always like to do, because what a bit of a roller coaster it's been the last few days. Now, I mentioned the trades. We got short, as you know, on this channel when Bitcoin got up to that 25k region, and we just started scaling more and more, especially into we started scaling more and more into some altcoin shorts, and we also got short on Ethereum, and what a fantastic move that turned out to be. We've got some very happy members. If you're interested in trading with us on the channel, links in the description below to join our trading zone, Patreon, check that all out. Fantastic opportunity. But yeah, the members are really happy because they've made an absolute ton of money this week.
Yep, check out some of these BYBITs that we're 1000%.
Yeah, if you want to see how our trades have gone, then absolutely, check us out on Twitter at Crypto Rosetta, or you can check out the trades that I've put out also. It's at Joe's Crypto Chaos. Now, talking about the markets, because we've seen it break down from 25k, we've lost 20k, folks. We lost 20k. I mean, who called that a few weeks ago? Well, we said it was absolutely a possibility on this channel. We have, been saying, be careful out there, folks. We did say, of course, there was always a possibility that it could go up to that higher 28k, 30k. That was never invalidated. It was always possible. However, primary expectation, as you know, folks, been saying, expecting lower lows, expecting a pullback. That's why we got short at resistance, and it's played out beautifully. And I'm not surprised where we've gone today. And to be honest, when it comes to even losing 20k, some people thought I might trickle down a bit, bounce back. I'm not surprised. It wouldn't surprise me if it carried on going even further.
Yeah, I think it's actually going to happen. Let's see what happens. We've got Savage doing the TA for us continuously. He did late night BTC video last night, so I appreciate that, Savage. Whilst we've been in Turkey, he's holding the fort. So well done to him. Well done to all the Discord members who are absolutely smashing it. We've even got a university student in there. Here, 500% trade, right? Really, really good kid. We've got all sorts of people in there. It's fantastic. Come and join us.
Yeah,
links in the description below, right?
He mentioned that paid some of his university fees. Absolutely awesome.
He absolutely did as well.
Yeah. Now, what we'll say again, about the markets, obviously there's a lot of fear out there at the moment, and I think, again, it's because, a lot of retail, potentially confused what's going on, following the Moon Boy channels that, tell you, oh, going back to 100k, and then all of a sudden, hang on, we've pulled back further. They told us we weren't going below 20k again, and what's happened, folks? Yeah. So, we told you on this channel, just you've got to avoid the noise, avoid that rubbish. Please come and join our Discord. It's absolutely free to join if you want further education, and just come on the journey with us. Why not? Yeah, definitely. It's been very fruitful for many people. Lots of people are learning the Elliott-wave theory as well. Savage goes online twice weekly, Tuesdays and Wednesday nights. Teaches everybody. It doesn't matter what level you are. Lots of people don't even have to put a stop loss in. Joe and I have been teaching lots of people just do the basics. It's unbelievable. Now, what's also epic about the free Discord is, yes, it's free to join, and it's also free to enter our fantasy crypto, which you've got an opportunity to win free USDT. We currently just started that. We've got a competition that's running for the first 4 weeks. The first week is going to be over at the weekly close. That's for those who have entered. Once that 4 weeks is done, whoever comes first and second will win 75 and 25 USDT respectively, and then we'll restart it again, so hopefully more people
everyone just keep
will come
earning.
And enter.
Keep winning. It's just hilarious that other YouTubers are doing it now. Other Discords will start taking it up as well. I find it quite hilarious. But yeah, it's a great way to actually get people engaged, and the community gets stronger, they get to know each other. It's fantastic. Come and join up. It's absolutely free.
Now, getting back to the markets again, leave us a comment below if you are buying the dip, because I'm interested if you are buying the dip.
I'm just worried it's going to keep dipping, Joe.
Well, that's kind of what we're expecting on this channel. I'm not personally buying at the moment, but please, leave us a comment below if you are buying, and give us a reason why and what you're buying and the reason why. But At the minute, from a risk reward perspective, because a lot of people have been asking me, Joe, when are you going to start buying? Because we've got our buy zones to put out, and I will be putting those out in our Discord to our members in the very imminent future. But at the minute, there's no massive rush at the minute for me to be scaling in, because I've said before, and I'm going to stick with it, folks, expecting minimum one lower low in the market. But to be honest, primary expectation, I'm expecting at least 2, maybe 3 more lower lows, and this would not surprise me if this bear market continues to drag out into 2024. A lot of it based on the DXY. Again, we've got that DXY back above 105, folks, so we're looking for the close above 105 to reset that higher target to 120, 122. Absolutely 100% still valid.
I'm not saying it's going to happen, in a few weeks. It'll take many months to play out. So nothing will go up in a straight line or down in a straight line. So bear that in mind.
Now, Crypt comps as well, currently still running. A lot of people have been asking about that. Again, immense opportunity to win £10,000 worth of any cryptocurrency that you want. I mean, you see how low that the prices have gone in the market on these altcoins. If you get £10,000 worth now, hodl it on for many years, who knows
where
what that
could
could
end
be
up
worth.
going. 30, 40, 50, 100x. Easy.
It'd be incredible. Again, check out cryptcomps.com if you want to enter.
It's a skill-based competition. It's not a lottery. Only the correct answer enter into a draw, and then I would have probably just bought £10,000 worth of Cardano and staked it and ridden it all the way out.
Yeah, it's £5 minimum for one ticket, and again, there's only 4,000 tickets available. That's a key point to get across. And the 4,000 tickets might not even completely sell, and the competition will be over. Shortly we'll be making an announcement of when that draw is going to take place. However, if the 4,000 tickets sell before that, then the competition will be drawn at that stage.
Exactly.
Now, let's talk about the markets again, what we think is going to happen next year, folks, because we've hit 19,500 region. Probably going to get a little bit of a bounce at some stage. It may even go lower before we get that bounce. Absolutely possible. But what I will say is I will be very surprised now if we do go back above 25k and off we go. Again, it's still technically possible, but I think you'd have to say that the bearish probability is more likely
playing out.
Now.
I actually think it's playing out. Look what's going on. Look at the whole macro scenario. Nothing straightforward.
No, and again, we're seeing an attack on all these banks from the SEC, the Fed being extremely hawkish. We're seeing what potentially could be, at the moment, over 5% overall base rate in the US, but I've still called out the possibility of up to 10%, folks. I still do think it's possible if this continues to get worse. If we go into this recession and it gets really bad, dragging on into 2024 rather, I do not think 10% base rate is off the table.
It's very possible, John.
And I expect a minimum of 7%. 7% is the minimum I expect where what is going to play out.
Yeah, worrying times. And also, look at Huobi. Look at the 50% in lost value overnight. Okay, look at KuCoin. They're going for them next. Just be very careful what you're doing. Take your crypto off the exchange. We've been saying it for over a year now. Get yourself a ledger. We've got a description, link in the description below. Go and get yourself one. Don't keep your crypto on any exchange.
Now, if you have also made plenty of money, like our traders have on the channel, short in the market to the downside, again, please make sure you're locking gains at all times. Can't give you financial advice, but this is just what I do. I like to lock in gains all the way down. Just grid yourself, keep getting out. If you want to let it run, keep having 10, 20, 30% running, because you never know, you could end up shorting some coin to zero. Because I have still mentioned that there is a potential of that altcoin extinction event rather, if this market gets really, really bearish. If Bitcoin was to go to those severe lows of 4 or 5k, I do think a lot of altcoins are going to die out here.
I agree with you,
because 20,000 plus cryptocurrencies is ridiculous, folks. I've been banging on about this for over a year now, and I'm still going to mention it. It's just silly.
There are absolute load of shit coins that don't deserve to be around. Some of the projects that you think are actually safe are not safe. They're totally unsafe.
Well, that's what I mean. A load of shit coins, and we've seen them eat shit as the market has gone down.
Exactly.
So it's going to keep happening out here, folks.
Well, Bitcoin's actually it's almost behaving like a shit coin.
If Bitcoin can eat shit, folks, you better believe that those shit coins are really going to eat shit. 100%. But that's a lot of shit now. So
let's swiftly move on.
Swiftly moving on. Let's wrap this up, because what have we got coming up next on the channel? There's so much things happening.
Well, there's something we want to talk about is the NFTs. They're currently still available for 1,050. I think we've just gone over 265. I think we're nearly out. So it's only 500. So it's 1,050. Per NFT, you're saving an absolute fortune in the long run, and they're going to be worth a hell of a lot of money. And if we don't sell any, if we don't sell the entire 500, we will burn the remaining. so they're only going to be worth more money.
Because a lot of it's about, you know, saving on those Patreon fees, because a lot of people don't want to have to continuously pay a monthly membership, so why not actually just come and get a lifetime membership access? It's got amazing value, you know, if you stick around with us for, you know, the foreseeable few years.
Yeah, and they're, you know, resellable anytime on the JPEG store, so it's an absolutely fantastic opportunity. You know, it's I think Cardano's at 31 cents at the moment right now,
yeah,
so it's an absolute bargain.
Yeah, like I said, the price will be going up, especially also because we had a pre-sale, we gave the pre-sale bonus price.
Yeah,
price will increase. We're not making.
Was it 20th of March, Joe?
20th of March coming up, the price will increase to 1500 ADA, folks. Also, just keep an eye on traditional markets out there, folks. The S&P 500 looks like it had that bull trap, that fake out to the upside, broke the descending resistance, and it's come straight back in, looking really, you know, weak, below 4K now. Dow Jones in trouble. Once that Dow Jones goes back under 30K, which I do believe it is going to, and I'm not saying there's not going to be a bounce before we get there, there will be a bounce, but I do believe it is going to go below 30K. It's going to be bad for Bitcoin, and it would not surprise me if Bitcoin is at a lower low, as in breaking the November low at that same stage. I would not be surprised if that happens.
We're off to Spain next week, and then back off to Morocco to see clients, and then to Nigeria. So we'll keep you updated on what's going on. Joe, over to you, mate.
Yeah, that's it, folks. We're wrapping up many more crypto-based deals internationally. I'm thoroughly enjoying it, so look forward to that. And thanks for all those that have been, you know, watching all the videos and supporting, smashing the like, subscribe if you're brand new to the channel. Again, showing Savage great support. I know you really do appreciate his technical analysis, as we do. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again.